Doing this with WD-40 will save you thousands in car repairs. Did you know that you can solve many of your car's problems with just a can of WD-40? From rust, squeaks, stuck screws, and even waterproofing, WD-40 offers incredible solutions. And with these simple yet effective methods, you can reduce your annual maintenance and repair costs by thousands of pounds. Today, I'll show you the unknown automotive secrets of WD-40. What is WD-40 and how does it work? WD-40 is not just a lubricant. It was developed as water displacement, 40th formula, the 40th formula that removes water. It was first used by NASA engineers, and over time, it became popular in daily life. What are the ingredients? Rust-dissolving components, light lubricants, water repellents, corrosion inhibitors. So why is it so popular? Because you can solve hundreds of different problems with just one box of WD-40. Here are the most important uses for your car. Part 1. 10 common car problems you can solve with WD-40. One door hinges and squeaks. Do you hear an annoying squeak when you get in the car? Spray some WD-40 on the door hinges and the trunk lid, and you'll instantly notice the difference. 2 rusted bolts and nuts. When old screws and nuts rust, opening them can be a nightmare. WD-40 dissolves and loosens rust. Unscrewing stuck parts becomes much easier. Tip: if it is heavily rusted, squeeze and wait a few minutes. 3 waterproofing and electrical protection. During the winter months, the electrical connections in your vehicle's engine may be exposed to moisture. WD-40 protects your electrical components by removing water from these areas. It makes a big difference, especially for older model car owners. 4 rust prevention on the undercarriage and around the chassis. Especially in winter, road salts can quickly rot the underside of your vehicle. With WD-40, you can protect areas that are likely to rust. Do this regularly and your car will last longer. Removing tar and insect remains. On long journeys, the front hood and bumper become covered with tar and insect residues. WD-40 is the perfect solution to remove these stains. 6 plastic and rubber parts revitalization. WD-40 can polish plastic and rubber parts and renew worn plastic parts. Warning: do not spray on the tire tread or brake system. Part 2. 5 mistakes you should not make when using WD-40. Warning 1. Do not spray WD-40 on brake discs and pads. Creates slippery brake surfaces and may increase your braking distance. 2. Do not apply to glass and side mirrors. It leaves an oily film which can impair your vision. 3. Do not use on car seats and steering wheel. It creates a slippery surface and may adversely affect your steering control. 4. Be careful with tires. Applying a small amount to the tire sidewalls can be protective, but should not be applied to the tread. 5. Do not apply directly to paint. WD-40 can be harmful in the long term on some older vehicle paints. Test it on a small area first.